If you forgot the password to your private space on your Google Pixel 10 and now you cannot unlock the access to the private space, then unfortunately the only way that you can get access to the private space is to delete the private space completely and then set it up again. There is no way to get the password back. Unfortunately, there seems to be no option to recover the password. So in case you want to reset the private space, if you want to completely delete it and set it up again, then in that case we need to open settings. Over here, scroll down to system, and then we're gonna go to reset options, and over here we have delete private space. So in this case, we need to enter our screen lock password to proceed, and then we need to confirm that we want to delete the private space. As a result, of course, like I said, everything will be removed from the private space. As you can see now, it is done. So unless you can actually remember the password, everything will be gone, but you can set it up again in case you still want to use the private space. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.